Hello! On my last video, I showed you the pistol grip glass cutter and some cutting techniques. But, as you might already know, the glass cutter doesn't actually cut through the glass. It creates a score line. To break the glass, we need the running pliers. But before showing you how this tool is used, I want to point out a few things. First, as you can see, the jaws on these pliers are curved. Basically, what this does is apply pressure upwards on the score line and downwards on each side to help break the glass. You might notice that the jaws are covered with these rubber tips. They help protect the glass from scratches. And since they tend to crack or wear over time, I like to keep an extra pair around. This mark on the upper jaw will guide us when placing the pliers on the glass. And finally, this adjustable screw helps us control the amount of pressure we apply on the glass. To adjust the screw, place the glass in between the jaws, screw it all the way, and then unscrew just a little bit. Now we'll see how this tool is used. First, you need to score the glass using a glass cutter. Then, place the jaws of the running pliers at the edge of the glass. Make sure to align the mark on the upper jaw with the score line and gently squeeze. It works the same way with curved lines. Again, align the mark with the score line and gently squeeze. Now I'll do a few demonstrations with some strips of glass. The first one measures 1/2 inch wide, and I'm going to score it down the middle. Align the mark on the pliers with the score line and gently squeeze. It breaks without problem. This next strip of glass is a little bit thinner. I scored it down the middle, and when I try to break it with the pliers, it's a little bit difficult, but it finally gives in. And this one measures 1/4 inch wide. I score it down the middle, but when I try to break it with the pliers, it just won't. The reason for this is because the strip of glass is too thin. It won't allow the pliers to apply pressure downwards on each side of the score line. You can also use this tool for cutting smaller pieces. Here, I cut a small square. Then, I cut off a thin strip of glass. And even a thinner one. To cut a triangle, score the strip of glass diagonally. Align the mark on the pliers with the score line, and notice how you will hold the pliers at an angle. Then, squeeze. If at first you don't succeed, don't get discouraged. Just keep practicing. You'll get the hang of it. On my next video, I'll be talking about the wheeled nippers. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe, like, and share. Remember to turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching, one piece at a time.